everybody, Squishy Ducks here. Welcome. Today I'm going to be showing you how to make this. You're going to need furnace, redstone torch, redstone repeater, note block, sticky piston, building material, redstone, and yeah, that's about it. Bats. Okay, so you're gonna put a furnace there and put blocks around it. So after you've done that, you're gonna come to the around, break those two blocks, put a sticky piston, put that block there, break down one, take that, and you're going to put a block there, and on here we will put one block like that. This is the basic setup, and it should work now. Oh yeah, and you're gonna put one redstone torch there. Okay, yeah. So you're gonna take anything really, and it'll start up and go like that in the beginning when you put the block in, and then when it makes it and this goes all the way down, it should do this. That should light up. Okay, so this is the basic setup for it, and if you want to add a little music to it, musical touch, you can do this. So you're going to bring it out a little bit, and I'm going to start like this. I'm just going to make 3 for time's sake. So you're going to make 3 rows like that of redstone dust. Break the block here and there. This is optional, I'm just doing this for a little bit of design. Put a note block down, and then I'm going to take okay, that should work beautifully. So now we just wait for this to go down all the way, and that redstone light should turn. And for an extra little touch, I like to put a redstone lamp right there. So then when I do it, that lights up. I can make this look a little nice. So that concludes the video today. Thanks for watching, guys.